Prove that the points 2, minus 2, minus 2, 1 and 5, 2 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, but which is hypotenuse and which one is the other two sides, which are the other two sides we don't know. So better not to name it before only. So which is right angle triangle? So first I'll name this as A, B and C. So I'll use distance formula. First I'll find the length of all the three sides. Distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So first I'll find the distance for A and B. A is 2, minus 2. B is minus 2, 1. So if I'll consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2, I'll find AB distance under root x2 minus x1 minus 2 whole square. Y2 is 1 minus y1 is minus 2, so it is plus 2 whole square under root minus 4 whole square plus 3 square, 16 plus 9 root 25, which is 5 units. Now I'll find now BC. B minus 2 1, C 5, 2 under root BC. Under root, so before that x1, y1, x2, y2. Under root x2 minus x1, 5 minus of minus plus 2, 2 minus 1 whole square. So this is 5 plus 2, 7 square plus 1 square. 49 plus 1 root 50. Root 50 you can write as 2 into 5 into 5, that is 5 root 2 units. Next AC. A 2, minus 2, C 5, 2. So again I need to find, so I'll consider x1, y1, 5, 2 as x2, y2. Now AC distance 5 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus of minus plus 2 whole square. 5 minus 2 is 3 square, 2 plus 2 is 4 square. So 9 plus 16 root 25, which is 5 units. Now we need to check for right angle triangle. First arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. So first you'll get like AB, then AC, AB, AC, BC. AB is 5, AC is 5 and BC is 5 root 2. After arranging in ascending order, square all of them. Square all the sides. Arrange in ascending order, square all of them. So you'll get 5 square is 25, 25. This is 25 into 2, which is 50. After squaring, if you'll add the first 2, if you'll get the third value, it is a right angle triangle. And the bigger value, the side which has a bigger value, is hypotenuse. So now in the triangle here, I can write this as B, This as C. So right angle at A. Right angle at A. So AC distance is 5 units. AB is 5 units and hypotenuse is 5 root 2 units. Because here, if you want, you can write like converse of Pythagoras statement. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. See, converse of Pythagoras theorem. It states clearly, in a triangle, if sum of the squares of two sides, is equal to the square of the third side, then the angle opposite to the third side is 90 degrees. So you need to find in this way. And see, just to prove that it is a right angle triangle, first arrange the sides in ascending order, square all of them, and if you add the first two, you will get the third. It's a right angle triangle and the third side is hypotenuse. Now here they ask like area. So to find area, as it is a right angle triangle, half base into height. Base is 5, height is 5, 25 by 2, 12.5 square units. So this is the area, 12.5 square units. So see, area of a triangle, because see this is hypotenuse, so the sides which contain 90 degrees, one I'll consider it as base, then the other will become height and base. So area of a triangle is half base into height. Clearly base is 5 and height is 5. So half 5 into 5, 25 by 2, which is nothing but 12.5 square units.